Learn some English with Crystal.
Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm gonna introduce to you the diamond shape. A diamond has 4 sides and 4 corners, like the square, but the lines of the diamond are diagonal lines. Now let's learn how we draw a diamond. We start from the top. Draw a diagonal line down to the left. Now a diagonal line down to the right. Then a diagonal line up to the right. Then a diagonal line up to the left. The diamond shines so bright, shines so bright, shines so bright. The diamond shines so bright, like a star in the night.
Now let's learn some objects that have the shape of a diamond. Earrings, ornaments, a graduation hat, a kite. Now I want you to point at the object that has the shape of a diamond. Yes, very good. This has the shape of a diamond. And now, which one has the shape of a diamond? Point out. Very good. This has the shape of a diamond. What about now? Great job, everyone.
I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye everyone. Take care.